Assalamualaikum and good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Hopefully, all of you are in the pink of health. Welcome back to our English class with Teacher Yat. Today is our last class before our 2-week school holidays. Our lesson for today is we are going to write an essay about Kuala Gandah National Conservation Centre in Temerloh, Pahang. You can refer to your textbook, page 47. In today's lesson, we will focus on writing skills. Our learning objective is, by the end of this lesson, pupils should be able to identify main idea and supporting details. What is the main idea in a paragraph? The main idea is the key concept of a paragraph. What is supporting details in a paragraph? A supporting detail explains the main idea by giving more details and examples. Let's begin with the first paragraph, the introduction. The Kuala Gandah Elephant Conservation Centre is an elephant sanctuary located in Temerloh, Pahang. The centre is a natural habitat for elephants rescued from the wild. The aim of the centre is to protect the species from extinctions due to deforestation done by humans. Now class, based on the paragraph, let us identify the main idea in this paragraph. For clue, normally main idea is the first sentence mentioned in a paragraph. So, the sentence, the Kuala Gandah Conservation Centre is an elephant sanctuary located in Temerloh, Pahang, is the main idea. It is because when you read the whole paragraph, you can see all the sentences refer to the place itself, the centre. If you look at the remains of the sentences, they explain more about the centre. Let's move to the second paragraph. The content. My family and I were there recently, and it was an enjoyable moment. We went there by car. We were shown a video. Then we assembled in an open area where we fed some cute baby elephants with fruits. Our third and last paragraph is the content and closure. Some elephants demonstrate how they can carry things with their trunks and obey basic commands. We enjoyed ourselves there. Even though we were tired, we had learned something useful and valuable. That's the end of our lesson. For tutorial, copy this essay in your E1. That's all. Bye.